Let us continue exercise 11.1, question number 3. Construct a triangle of sides 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and then a triangle similar to 8 whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Give justification. As I told you, I will give justification afterwards. First, let us do the construction. Now, the sides of the triangle are 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. You can draw one rough figure to get the idea that how to draw the given triangle. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. So this is will take as AB 5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter and AC 7 centimeter. Okay, so let us draw the given triangle. BC will draw 6 centimeter, will take the compass, will write as BC 6 centimeter, then we'll take AB, radius of the compass AB 5 centimeter, so this is 5 centimeter. Now draw one arc. Okay, now from C it is 7 centimeter. Take the radius 7, taking center C, draw the arc and cut it and name this point as A. Now draw a segment AB. And segment AC. Do it properly. Vertices should be clearly seen. Now we'll write this as 5 centimeter. AB is 5 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. Measurement should be shown. Okay. Now proceed the same way where to draw one similar triangle. So method is same. Draw one ray making an acute angle. BX. Now see guys, the ratio is 7/5. Now 7/5, which is the bigger number? 7. The 7 is bigger, so we have to take 7 equal parts. Take some arc and start from B and take 7 parts. How many parts will take? 7. This comes from numerator. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write is as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now numerator belongs to the second triangle that we have to draw, and 5 belongs to the first triangle. Okay, so this 5 belongs to the first triangle, means original triangle. So we'll draw or we'll join B5 with C because 5 belongs to the first triangle. So draw a segment joining B5 and point C. Okay, now as I told you, the 7 belongs to the second triangle which we are going to draw now, which will be similar to triangle ABC. So this triangle will come outside. As I told you yesterday in yesterday's video, that if numerator is bigger, then the triangle will come outside. So we have to increase this segment BC to the right hand side. Similarly, you increase this AB also, or segment BA. Okay, now so we have increased BC and BA because the triangle will come outside. Now we'll draw one angle at C. We have to draw parallel line from B7. It will come like this. So the angle we should draw here, which is congruent to angle B5C, with the help of compass. Very simple it is, as we have done. Now the angle is outside. So let us take this. Draw one arc. Similarly, draw one arc at B7 like this. Now adjust your distance of this arc as per the distance between these 2 points. We have to draw the congruent angle. Okay, now 1 minute. It's not intersecting the first arc. And now again I will adjust. Now we'll draw from the point of intersection. Cut this arc. Join with B7. See it. You take a sharp pencil, pointed pencil. Now as there is a sketch pen, little problem will be there. So this point should be noted as C dash. This is C, this will be C dash. Now we have to draw one parallel line from C dash meeting BA, ray BA. So this will be parallel to CA. So same way as we do, we'll take the angle, congruent angle will take. Similarly at C dash. Now we'll adjust the distance. See here, we'll adjust the distance of the, or distance means radius here, and draw one arc. Now from this point, now parallel line will come. So now these 2 points should be joined or seen this way. So this C dash, now we'll label it as A dash. So triangle A dash B C dash is a required angle. Here you will find that triangle A dash B, this point B, and C dash is similar to triangle ABC, that is original triangle. So when numerator is bigger, the triangle will come outside. When the numerator is smaller, as yesterday we had 3 upon 4, the triangle comes inside. So these are the two types of similar triangles construction given in your exercise. Rest of the question you can solve on your own. Actually now we have to write the justification. Already I have written the justification here. This is the same construction, same question it is, complete justification is given. If you want, you copy down from here. Explanation I will be giving you in the class. Okay guys, now this is question number 3 which we have completed. Now question number 4. You practice on your own. Practice on your own, zoom it. So how it is, construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. So first you have to construct the original triangle. Now the sides are 1 integer 1 upon 2. See, 1 integer 1 upon 2 means 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. We have to convert into the simple fraction, ordinary fraction, 3 upon 2. So here numerator is 3. So triangle will come outside because it is greater than 2. Now a little rough idea I am giving you. Will construct how to construct an isosceles triangle. Just see it. I am not taking any scale, you do at home. Now suppose now this is 8 centimeter you have drawn. Now draw its perpendicular bisector. Take the compass, and perpendicular bisector means take this segment. Suppose now this is BC. This is 8 centimeter. The rough figure I am showing you. You do on your own. See here, and draw perpendicular bisector. Today you draw and upload the picture on WhatsApp. I will check it. And very faint dotted line you do. Why we are drawing perpendicular bisector, I will explain you. It is an isosceles triangle. Directly you cannot do perpendicular bisector. So this is a midpoint. Now what are the sides? This altitude is 4 centimeter now. Altitude means which makes a 90-degree angle. This is altitude. This is called altitude, means height. So now take 4 centimeter, measure it from the scale and take the midpoint and cut the arc. So this will be your point A and this will be ABC, triangle ABC. See, you have to first take 4 centimeter. You have to draw the original triangle. Now you can do it here. BX, draw the BX. Here BX ray is shown. How many? Which is the bigger number? 3. Take 3 point B1, B2, B3. Now this 2 belongs to the original triangle. You join this one. Now numerator is bigger, means it will come outside as we did in 4th. So you practice 3rd one which I showed you and then practice 4th one. And so this 3rd and 4th question you upload, you give me this construction, show me this construction, I will see if it's correct, I will give you the correct, right? Otherwise I will explain you if any mistake is there. I hope that you must have understood, and yesterday's construction also you have to show me. Okay guys, see you then. Thank you.